Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well and taking care of yourself. So today we're going to start our 26th chapter, that is transformation of sentences, on page number 162. Transformation of sentences. What does it mean? Transformation means to transform, to write a sentence in another form, another format, okay, without changing its meaning. So we'll understand this definition, and also we'll understand the different kinds of sentence and how to transform them into one another. We'll all understand them. First of all, let's read this. Read this conversation between a young boy and his mother. Okay. Rohan, remember to carry a handkerchief when you go out. Okay. And Rohan replied, don't worry, mom. I will not forget to carry my handkerchief. Okay. He said that he will carry. His mother told that not to forget, or he must remember to carry the handkerchief. And Rohan replied that, yes ma'am, mom, don't worry, I'll not forget to carry the handkerchief. Then mama said, you should leave early, otherwise you might not reach on time. And he replied, I should not leave late. Okay. His mother said that you should leave early or you'll get late. Okay. And he said that I should not leave late. I must leave early, I should not leave late, right? You should always be polite to everyone. Mother said, you should always be polite to everyone. You should always be honest and behave in a manner to everyone. Okay. I promise I'll never be rude to anyone. He said that, yes, I promise I'll never be rude. Okay. किसी से बदतमीजी नहीं करूँगा. Okay, this types. He will never be rude to anyone. Okay? So in these sentences, what you get? Did you notice that the above dialogue consists of affirmative as well as negative sentences? Did you understand that these dialogues, these are dialogues, no? Speech given by someone. So these types of sentence, these dialogues contain affirmative sentences as well as negative sentences. Now what are they? We have already discussed when we were discussing the types of sentences, right? We discussed that assertive sentences are of two types, right? And among the two are affirmative and negative. And what is the affirmative sentence? Affirmative sentence is the sentence which is positive. Okay. No, not, never, nothing is there. No, not, never. You will not get any no, not, never in the sentence, which is called affirmative sentence. And negative sentence contains no, not, never. Okay. When you get no, not, never in the sentence, then you will get that it is negative sentence. Negative means negative sentence. You will know that. Okay. Negative sentence means na budhok sentence. Okay. In Bengali we say. So when you will understand that, look at that. Mother said, Rohan, remember to carry a handkerchief when you go out. So this is positive sentence. So this is affirmative sentence. No, not, never, nothing is there. Look at that. No, any, no, not, never. कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पे. ना, नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ना. This is why this is an affirmative sentence. And don't worry, mom. Not is there. That is why it is negative sentence. I will not forget to carry my handkerchief. This is also a negative sentence because not is there. Okay. You should leave early. Otherwise, you might not reach on time. No, not, never. You should leave early. This is in positive sentence, affirmative sentence. And otherwise, you might not reach on time. Okay. Here not is there. Then it is negative sentence, and this is positive sentence. You should leave early. This is positive sentence. Up to the full stop. A line is up to the full stop, no? So up to the full stop early, then it is positive, and the second part is negative. Then I should not leave late. This is also negative sentence. I should not leave. Not is there. Okay. You should always be polite to everyone. This is a positive sentence. You should always be polite to everyone. Okay. No, not, never, nothing is there. I promise I will never be rude to anyone. And this is a negative sentence because never is there. Okay. This is a negative sentence. Now look at that. Assertive sentences are of two kinds, affirmative and negative. We all know that assertive sentences are of two kinds, affirmative and negative. Look at this. I will go to school tomorrow. Affirmative. No, not, never, nothing is there. That is why it is affirmative. And I will not participate in the competition. This is negative. Not is written there. Okay. I will not participate in the competition. This is negative. Moreover, an affirmative sentence can be changed into a negative sentence and vice versa without changing the meaning. Okay. It means that you can change an affirmative sentence into a negative sentence. एक affirmative sentence को change करके negative बनाया जा सकता है, and negative sentence को change करके भी affirmative sentence बनाया जा सकता है बिना उसका meaning change किए. ओके उसका मीनिंग चेंज भी नहीं होगा और एफर्मेटिव से नेगेटिव और नेगेटिव से एफर्मेटिव भी बनाया जा सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू मस्ट रिमेंबर टू विजिट हिम टुडे. एफर्मेटिव है ना, यू मस्ट रिमेंबर टू विजिट हिम टुडे. पूरा याद रखना, तुमको वहां जाना है. यू शुड नॉट फॉरगेट टू विजिट हिम टुडे, एंड इट बिकम्स नेगेटिव. व्हेन मस्ट रिमेंबर इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय शुड नॉट फॉरगेट, द मीनिंग इज सेम, नो, बट the way of writing is different, right? You must remember to visit him today, and you should not forget to visit him today. The thing is same. Okay, you'll have to visit someone today. So this is called transformation. They have transformed the affirmative sentence into negative sentence without changing the meaning, right? You must remember to visit him today. We cannot write negatively that you must not remember to visit him today. If you write that you must not remember to visit him today to make it negative, then what will happen? The meaning will get changed, right? You must remember to visit him today means तुम्हें वहां जाना है. Okay, and when you write you must not remember, then what will happen? तुम्हें नहीं जाना है, तो meaning will change. Okay, so you'll have to write you should not forget. You will have to use the opposite of that verb. Okay, you should not forget to visit him today. You must remember to visit him today, and you write it negatively, right? Like you should not forget to visit him today. Thus it becomes possible to express our thoughts in more than one way. Okay, so we have understood that we can say a sentence, we can use a sentence in different ways. We have in sentences we express our thoughts, right? So we can express our thoughts in different ways, in different sentences, in different forms of sentences. So the transformation of a sentence means changing its form without altering its meaning. So what does it mean? That a transformation of a sentence means, what is the transformation of a sentence? A transformation of sentence means changing the form of a sentence without altering its meaning. Altering means changing. Without changing its meaning, we can change the form of the sentence, and this is called transformation of sentences. Clear? Now look at this. You know that an assertive sentence makes a statement, and while an interrogative sentence asks a question. We know that assertive sentences are those sentences which are simple declarative sentences. Makes statement means a simple statement is an assertive sentence. Okay, while an interrogative sentence means questions. We all know that. So an assertive sentence can be changed into an interrogative sentence and vice versa. Means you can change the assertive sentence into interrogative sentence and interrogative sentence into assertive sentence without changing its meaning. Okay, without changing the meaning. Okay, for example, can anyone be a better candidate for the job? This is interrogative, question mark, right? This is a question. No, can anyone be a better candidate for the job? This is interrogative. And no one can be better candidate for the job. This is assertive. Okay, क्या कोई उससे बेहतर हो सकता है? नहीं, कोई इससे बेहतर नहीं. Answer will be, the assertive sentence will be उससे बेहतर कोई नहीं हो सकता. Okay, when interrogative sentence is can anyone be better candidate for the job? क्या उससे बेहतर कोई इस जॉब के लिए हो सकता है? तो assertive sentence में हम कैसे लिखेंगे कि उससे बेहतर इस जॉब के लिए कोई नहीं हो सकता. And meaning is same, right? Some more examples that you can give are like is he not a good dancer? The answer will be, assertive, this interrogative sentence is he not a good dancer? And when you transform it into an assertive sentence, you will have to write, he is a good dancer. Okay, like that. You will have to change the interrogative sentence into assertive sentence, and assertive sentence will be changed into interrogative sentence without changing its meaning. Clear? Now look at this. An exclamatory sentence expresses sudden emotions. We all know that what an exclamatory sentence means. Exclamatory sentences are those sentences which show a sudden emotion, surprising emotion, okay, sudden surprise and strong feeling. Then it is an exclamatory sentence. It ends with an exclamatory mark. Yes, exclamatory sentence ends with the exclamation mark, right? Exclamation sign, that dot. Okay, an exclamatory sentence can be changed into an assertive sentence without changing the meaning, and vice versa. You can change the exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence also, and assertive sentence also may be changed into exclamatory sentence without changing the meaning. Clear? For example, what a lovely voice she has. This is an exclamatory sentence, right? What a lovely boy. A surprise, a feeling of surprise, a sudden feeling, right? So exclamatory sign is also there, so you can recognize that this is an exclamatory sentence, and we can change it into the assertive sentence. How? She has a lovely voice. What a lovely voice she has. We can simply say that she has a lovely voice. Okay, and this becomes an assertive sentence, and the meaning is still same. The meaning is not changed. What a lovely voice she has. She has a lovely voice. Okay, you have changed the form of the sentence without changing the meaning. Some more examples like how beautiful the flower is. Okay, this exclamatory sentence, how beautiful the flower is. And in assertive sentence you can write that the flower is very beautiful. Right, assertive sentence will be the flower is very beautiful, and the meaning is same, but the form of the sentence has got changed. Okay, so in this manner you can change the exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence and assertive sentence into exclamatory sentence. Okay, like you can say no that this flower is very beautiful, and assertive sentence, this is an assertive sentence, this flower is very beautiful, and you will have to convert it into exclamatory. But how can we write that? We write that wow, the flower is, wow, how beautiful the flower is. Wow, how beautiful the flower is. You can write that, right? And also how beautiful the flower is, exclamation sign. Okay, then it becomes exclamatory sentence. Clear? So students, the chapter is over here. We have understood the transformation of sentences, okay, into assertive and negative, affirmative and negative, negative into affirmative, then interrogative into assertive, and assertive into interrogative, and exclamatory into assertive, and assertive into exclamatory, like that. Okay, so I hope you all have understood, and if you don't understand anything or any line, please contact me. The class is over right now. Thank you.